Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you my current skincare routine. I went to the office and I have makeup on. I have quite a lot of makeup, starting from sunscreen to blush to skin tints to eyeliner and mascara and lipsticks. This is the cleansing oil that I have been using for the longest time, and I'm going to use that to melt all the makeup that I have on my face. Sometimes you really have to massage well so that the makeup along with your whiteheads and your blackheads come off. This cleansing oil also does a really good job when you do not have makeup on your skin but your skin is feeling clogged and oily. I'll quickly come back after cleaning this up. Apart from this cleansing oil, I also used a cleanser which is making my skin so clean. You can see there's literally no filter on my skin. This is what my bare skin looks like. I'm gonna use this clay mask on my skin. This is again a Korean skincare brand. You can find this brand on Macaroon, anywhere else. I'm gonna just scoop up the product from here. Don't like wasting the product at all. I'm just gonna put it very lightly on my skin. It's a very thick consistency, so I'm gonna just I literally feel like I'm putting something straight out of the fridge. It feels so cold on my skin. Can you look at that texture? Look at that texture. I'm in love. I really love when the brands invest properly in the texture in their product, and it actually gives results. The best thing about this clay mask, the packaging is in green. I gotta wait like 5 to 10 minutes for it to just like settle down. So good. Look at my skin, guys. And I am obsessed. I am living for this clarity. Basically, it's like literally clear and it's literally ready for the skincare, and I feel like a lot of my skin texture has been smoothened out. So y'all should definitely go for this clay mask. It doesn't feel like an ordinary clay mask, but it does make a difference. First, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a glycolic acid toner. I usually use a cotton pad, but I usually wear a lot of skincare products on my skin, but I have to go to the gym after this, so I'm gonna keep it quite quick and easy. I am not gonna overwhelm my skin with a lot of products. I do not have to talk about this product more because this is not like the ordinary glycolic acid toner, whereas this one only has 5% in it, so it's a lot smoother, softer and gentle on your skin, so you can definitely use it daily, alternative days. So I'm just gonna keep I'm gonna come close and show it to you guys. I think my skin is looking really pretty and nice and clear. This one has white truffle extract in it. It works wonders for my skin, wherefore whenever I apply this, my skin literally glows and it stays for a long time. I've been using this for a month generously, and still there's a lot of product left in it. Once I apply this, I feel like there's a layer of glowy tinge on my skin, which keeps my skin moisturized as well. I do feel like there's some kind of ingredient in it which just makes it a really good product. I think it's the white truffle extract which creates all the difference, so definitely go for it. Thank you for watching my video for skincare. My light just went out and I think there's a decent amount of light for you guys to see. And yeah, I'm gonna do another video in detail for all my entire skincare. So thank you for watching. Bye.